Yeah, well, I'm Richard Simeon from Brisbane, or Caboolture, which is just north of Brisbane. The cost of getting them done at the dentist over there was costing me $800 to $1,000 a visit almost. They didn't really know, but they didn't ask for the CBs. Yeah, they didn't ask for one of those. And once you ask for that, and I sent that, you had a much better idea of what could be done, which is why I actually ended up coming back this way. They all started falling out too. And so I thought, well, I'll look at replacing them. Maybe at the point where you're better off pulling them out and putting something else in, because there's not much base left. I don't mind spending money, but I don't like doing it twice. Thailand was a little bit dearer, but originally I was going to go there through the connections I had. But as I said, they were away at the time, so I never got it done. And then I started looking at Thailand. And just before I came, Dubai came up a lot.
Yeah, I heard that.
And then India, but I don't trust India. I just don't think I...
Didn't consider it.
No, I don't think I could handle the smell.
Now, let's evaluate the patient's initial condition. The patient's initial condition shows several missing teeth. Some teeth are loose, and some previously restored teeth now show recurrent caries. The missing teeth are at position 11, 46, 45, and 42. My plan is to place implant at position 11 and 46. At position 42, the tooth 41 is also very loose, so I will extract the tooth 41 and then I will place one implant to restore the two mandibular incisors, because these teeth are very small and one implant is sufficient. At tooth 45, there is significant bone resorption. The remaining bone is quite thin. Implant placement requires bone grafting. However, due to patient time limitation, we choose a natural bridge instead. At position 36 and 37, the patient had previously restoration. However, recurrent caries have developed. I will remove the old restoration, clean the teeth, and then I will restore them with grafts.
Okay, let's go.